my dear students, this is Dr. Vani, and on behalf of Vedantu Biotronic, I welcome each and every one of you to this amazing, beautiful, brilliant, innovative series that we've designed only for you, the Let's Draw It. In this series, we are going to be talking about the amazing world of biology through these beautiful graphics so that certain concepts become so subconsciously ingrained in your mind. So let's get going. In today's class, I am going to be talking about the magnificent creation of nature, the beautiful human body, which we so many times take for granted. We don't believe, or we don't even look around and see how amazing our bodies are and how much do they help us. In today's class, I am going to be talking about the second most complex organ. Yes, you got it right. After the brain, the second most complex organ which helps us to see, and the organ which we often take for granted, like the entire human body, is the beautiful human eye. The human eye, which also is one of the fastest muscles in the human body, clicking an image in less than 30 milliseconds. You know, when we look at a DSLR, we are so amazed at the 120 megapixel that an SLR camera gives us. The human eye, on the other hand, is what is made famous by Apple. The retina vision, 576 megapixels. Can you imagine it, children? 576 megapixels, and we take it for granted. So in today's class, I am going to be focusing on the vision of the human eye. How exactly does it help us to see this beautiful world around us? Let's get going. Before we get into the nitty-gritties of trying to understand कि human eye हमें देखने में कैसे मदद करती है, how exactly does it help us, we have to talk about light. Light, the ambient light, or the light which is present all over, is reflected from all the material which is around us, and then the reflected light or the bounced off light tries to enter our eye. It enters our eye through the transparent covering which we know as cornea. Cornea is the avascular transparent front covering of the eye. So if this is the eyeball, at the back is the sclera, which is a thick fibrous covering. But when the sclera moves ahead, it becomes continuous with a transparent covering called the cornea, through which the light rays directly enter our eye. After this, the light enters through the pupil into the iris and then into the lens. So, this little aperture or hole through which light enters our eye is the pupil, the little black dark circle. If this room was supposed to be dark, the pupil would have become really big to allow maximum light to enter our eyes so that we can see. But if I move out into the sun to watch a cricket match, my pupil will become really small, so that less amount of bright light enters my eye and does not cause any damage to my eye. Moving ahead, the pupil directs the light into the colored portion of the eye. The colored portion of the eye is called the iris. What is it called? It's called the iris. The iris is the one which contracts and dilates. It also moves the pupil and then directs the light onto the lens. And the lens is expandable. The lens is flexible. And this lens will then focus and form the image on the retina. So the retina is the neurosensitive region of the eye. By neurosensitive, I mean it is that portion of the eye which has the ability to convert the light signals into a neural pathway. Yes, you heard it right. The light which enters our eye is the same one which will cause depolarization, or it will start a neural signal which will go to the brain carrying the image. If I do come to the back surface of the eye, the back surface of the eye is covered by a very thick fibrous covering which is called the sclera, which is meant for protection. For protection, the eyeball is also housed in these areas which are called the sockets, which are bony coverings which protect the round eyeball. The sclera is also the place for attachment of the muscles of the eye, which help in the movement of the eyeball. Inside the sclera, we have the vascular layer of the eye, which is called the choroid, which is going to nourish the eye. And then finally, moving back to the nervous layer of the eye called the retina. The retina consists of two types of cells, the rods and the cones. There are close to about 6 to 7 million cones which are responsible for the bright, beautiful, colored vision of the eye. And there are close to 120 million rods. Yes, that's the number. The rods are made up of retina and aldehyde, which is derived out of vitamin A. The rods help you to see dim vision. So all those animals which are nocturnal, which remain awake in the night, have really active rod cells in their body. One more important function of the rod cells is to detect motion. So the bright, beautiful vision that we see is because of the cones, and the dim vision that we see is because of the rods. There are some people who have a deficiency of vitamin A in their body. The deficiency of this vitamin would help you or would probably not help you and cause deficiency of rods, causing you to suffer from something which is called as nyctalopia or night blindness. The cones are basically of three basic colors: the red, the green and the blue. It is only these three colors which are mixed and matched in the brain, the beautiful visual cortex of the brain, which gives us all the plethora or the millions, zillions, trillions of colors that we can see. From the retina originates a nerve, the nerve which will transmit the signal of the light into a nervous signal right up to the visual cortex of the brain. The visual cortex, or certain areas in the brain which help us see. Can you imagine how complex is this process? Because nearly half the brain is involved in the process of vision. Also, the nerves and this entire process of vision, right from the light entering our eyeball to the ability to be able to see what it is, takes very little or no time, and therefore whatever we see is in real time. There is absolutely no lag. I think we must take some time out and appreciate these beautiful eyeballs that we have, including the eyelashes. The function of the eyelashes and the lacrimal apparatus, which are extra organs of the eye, is to protect the eye from any dust or any foreign substance from entering inside the beautiful eye. What also happens, my dear children, is that due to any injury, sometimes the eyeball can be damaged, or by birth, some people do not have the visual cortex well aligned in the brain, or the optic nerve damage, which leads to various levels of blindness or complete blindness, apart from color blindness or night blindness which happens. These happen to be the major disorders related to the eyeball. This beautiful, graphical, amazingly designed video, we try to bring the entire functioning of the eye, the major parts of the human eye, and how exactly they collaborate with the brain to make sure that we all can see. That should be all for this video. I will see you soon with the next episode of Let's Draw It. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our amazing channel. Also, don't forget to put down in the comment section how did you like this amazing video, showing you many beautiful sides of the amazing human body in many more videos to follow. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. That's all for today. Signing off. Bye.